travel enthusiasts, and welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to give a on-ride perspective for the Screaming Eagle mountain coaster at Winter Park in Alto, New Mexico, just outside of Ruidoso. So this is an Alpine coaster that just opened a couple weeks ago, and I was fortunate enough, I was visiting family in the Ruidoso area, and I was able to get onto the coaster for a couple of different rides. So in this first video here, this is my first experience with the coaster, and here you're actually watching as they're loading new cars onto the ride. So they have this overhead track that allows them to slide out of the shed that they have them in, and then they will be lowered here, as you'll see just in a moment, onto the track. It's really a unique setup. The track itself is fairly straightforward. It's just a tube track that has metal struts supporting it, but these cars are actually very high-tech. They have a built-in speaker that you'll hear during the ride, and they also have a sort of GPS unit to them that allows them to know where every car is. And this way the cars automatically will brake if they get too close together, and they will brake at the end of the ride as well. So the carts are very neat themselves. They have the two handles on the side here you can sort of see as they're lowering this one into position. You can see how that lift just lowers it down real nice and easy. But what you do with it is you go ahead and use the handles on either side there, and you push them forward in order to go faster, and then you pull them up in order to brake. So if you're really wanting to go all out, then what you go ahead and do is go ahead and push them all the way forward and just hold them there during the ride. This first time on, as I said, this was
an Alpine coaster.
This was, as you just heard me tell the person there, this is my first time on an Alpine coaster. So I did brake some during this particular ride. On a later video, actually the third time down the hill here, I go full out, I don't brake at all, and it definitely picks up speed. I do plan on putting all 3 trips down the hill on the website here. I will probably put one with just some music to it and such, so that way you can enjoy the scenery, but you don't have to listen to the sounds over and over again. With the third one, I probably will go ahead and let it just play as it is, so that way you can really appreciate the sounds of the track and the coaster on it, same as you will with this particular video. But with that all being said, I think I've taken up enough of your time. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and click that like button. If you've not already, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, so that you're aware when I produce new videos in the future. Thank you, and I hope that you enjoy the ride.
Set, go, push forward. Good, let go of the handle. Come on down. Get down to stop. Come on down to the bumper. Down. Come on down to the bumper. Ready? Push forward. Okay, let go of the handles now.
we would like to review some of the riding instructions with you. This is an active participation ride. Remember, you are in full control of the ride once you have passed the attendant building at the top. You will be able to control your speed with the brake levers. Simply push the levers to go and pull the levers to slow down or to brake. Keep your eyes forward at all times. Remember, it is your responsibility to slow down and brake for slow or stopped riders. Maintain 80 feet between you and the cart in front of you. You should increase your distance to 180 feet for wet conditions. There are signs along the uphill ride to assist you in judging 80 feet and 180 feet. Thank you.
Queremos revisar con ustedes las instrucciones del manejo del carro. Recuerden que ustedes tienen control de la velocidad durante el descenso. Para controlar la velocidad, empujen la palanca para poner en marcha o aumentar la velocidad. Jalen la palanca para reducir la velocidad o frenar. Siempre mire hacia adelante. Es su responsabilidad reducir la velocidad o frenar completamente para mantener la distancia entre los carros. Mantenga 80 pies entre su carro y el carro del frente. Si la pista está húmeda, aumente la distancia a 180 pies. Gracias por su atención. Se está acercando al sector superior de la pista. Recuerden mantener su cinturón de seguridad.
You are approaching the top of the ride. Remember, keep your seatbelts buckled at all times. You will soon be entering the downhill track. Push the brake levers forward now and keep them forward until you have passed the attendant building.
Thank you. You are coming to the end of the ride. Slow down and enter the offload area at a walking pace.
All right, handles all the way forward to get to me. I'll let you know when to raise them up. You bet you have a great day now.
That was freaking awesome.
All right, handles up, seatbelt off, exit to the left.